change day. Got the Ultra Platinum. It's supposedly the best oil for the WRX. I've seen some YouTubers like my WRX do some samples on it, send it to the testing, and it comes back as like the best oil. So got almost 12,000 miles. This is the 5th oil change. It's usually every about 6 months or 3,000 miles, but because I don't put that many miles on it, it's usually about every 6 months, because this isn't my daily. Oh, my boards are, my car's lowered, so I need these boards to raise it up. It looks like they're kind of buried in the snow. Kind of a bummer. And get on these boards, and now I can get my little mini jack in there. Going to jack up one side so that, and then I'll let it down when it's draining the oil so it's flat. But just to get in there and get it open, I'm gonna just do one side. All right, this is why you get that Fumoto right there, because then you can just open a little valve and it makes it way easier, cleaner. Pop this little clip off right here, pull it straight out. I'll lose that or smash it, and then hopefully I don't get oil on my, yeah, it is down. And see that? I can adjust how much actually comes out. Looking pretty black there. So I don't even spill like a drop of oil with these. Extremely convenient. It's open all the way. I mean, it doesn't drain as fast as it would with a regular, you know, drain plug, but it's definitely worth it. This is probably the best mod you can get, or if you get a WRX, this is probably the first thing I would want to do to it, is if you change your own oil, unless you got like free oil changes from the dealership, which I did, but I just decided to put better oil in myself. Put a little bead of oil around the seal, just a little bit. I'm gonna be installing this, but this today too, but this is a different video. It's the throttle body coupler from Perrin, and I might as well, because I've got all this on here, Perrin stuff, which is really nice. So I'm gonna be taking the intercooler off, or partially out, and putting this coupler in, back in there. That might be a different video though, so check your oil. Make sure it's still in the, or not overflowing your thing. I'm actually gonna close it and dump this into a jug. Should be like 5.4 quarts with the filter. I liked using the Motul because it was 5 liters instead of 5 quarts, and so you could actually use the whole thing and not have to measure out anymore. 5 quarts, 5.4 quarts, it's close to 5 liters. So unfortunately, this, I know this is good oil, so I'm using this. It's a little bit more of a hassle, but still gonna do it. Whoa. One's natural gas. Huh, they're different from Amazon. Oh well, both Ultra Platinum, so oh well. Yeah, well, I'm waiting for that to drain. I've lowered it down. It's still coming down a little bit, not much. I'm gonna get got the cover off, the intercooler cover off. And I'm gonna start taking this intercooler off to get to this Subaru part here. Yeah, this is pretty black. That's in the sun. They're a little over 6 months and a little less than 3,000 miles. It's pretty black. All right, it's completely stopped. Not even a drip at all when it was on flat ground. I've got the Fumoto back in with the clamp on there. Add 5.4 quarts of oil. Get that all cleaned up there. Have about 0.4 in there. Fill this sucker up. Careful. And I put this on hand tight, the oil filter on hand tight, and this should be good. Got a 5.4 gallons, 5.4 quarts in there, and I'm gonna work on this intercooler coupler.